Hello, how are you today? So, I'm in the garage and this is my garden shelf. So this is basically just where we kind of have the majority of the gardening things organized. I am going to take one of these shelves, this one, I'm going to clear it off, and I'm going to set up a grow light so that I can start some seeds. It is the end of January, and I'm probably a week or two behind on seed starting, but that's okay. I just need to start. So before I get into that, I went by Tractor Supply today, and I picked up 3 of these hydrangea. They are called Meritus Supreme, and they have a midsummer to early fall bloom time. So as you can see, this one already has some buds, and this variety is for zone resistant for or in zones 5 through 9, and they get to be 3 to 4 feet tall, and they need to be spaced 3 to 4 feet apart, depending on whether you want individual plants or like individual shrubs, or if you want to hedge them, then you put them closer together. But the bloom sizes are 4 to 6 inches, and the light requirements are full sun to part shade. The bloom color is pink to blue. We'll see. We'll see how the colors end up for me since we're warm. I'm zone 7B, 8A, so we'll see how that goes. So I should be fine to plant now, January. So yes, I got 3 of those, and I picked the ones that all have blooms starting, or they're budding. Sorry, that they're budding. So those hopefully will get in the ground this week. So that's exciting. But I'm gonna show you the shelves over here in just a minute, and then I'll go ahead and get started clearing things off and setting up the grow light. Okay, so this looks like a garage full of stuff. We're storing stuff. So there's like a top shelf. This is the second shelf, and then this is the third shelf. I'm going to be clearing this shelf and putting up the grow light on this shelf because for my height, I'll be able to keep an eye on the seedlings and see how everything's doing. If I put it up top, then I won't be able to see things very well. So I just need to go ahead and do it that way. So I'm going to set you up, and then I'm going to start clearing things off. Okay, so that did not take very long, thankfully. But this is the grow light that I'm going to be setting up. I got this for Christmas from my hubby. It's from Harbor Freight. And it says you can link up to, let me double check. You can link up to 8 of these together. I only have one. I'm going to see how this goes, and then I can always add more. So it comes with a chain, I believe. So let's see. So, yeah. We'll see if that chain is enough for what I have here. But this is the light, and it comes with a plug. There's an outlet. Thankfully, the previous owners who installed this garage, they have outlets. They have an outlet like on every post, which is so nice. And this garage has like a separate meter. This was his workshop, so he really you know, we definitely benefited from his forethought. So yeah, and then, so here's the chain. I mean, it's very simple, very basic, but I'm looking forward to see how this goes. So these are, I'm assuming these are brackets, so I'm gonna like hanging brackets. Yeah, and then what do we have? We have 2 hooks, screw hooks. What else? Which I don't need to put anything into wood. So it comes with 2 screws and then 2 pieces of chain. The chain's very short, but we have chain lying around, so we'll see if I need to do that. But so 2 short pieces like this. So I'm going to go ahead and put it together and turn it on and kind of mess around with the configuration, and then we'll see how it goes. All right, so I'm going to put chain end on. Okay, so you see, like, it's like a V. I'm going to put it in the middle, and then I think I just put these in here. Or do they go out? See, learning curve, and I didn't look at the directions. Okay, so they go like that. Let me get the other one on. I mean, this is super basic and simple, and I'm grateful for that. So I'm going to put this one on. And then, all right, let me make sure that doesn't. So it goes in. Up and then out. So super easy. So now I need to screw these over here. Not screw, I need to hang them. Okay, so I found some scrap metal, and I already made one hook out of it, so I'm just gonna use the vise and make another one here. So again, this was left here by the previous owners. Grateful for this. These are the things that, like, you know, like, it's an expense. And not only that, but, like, I don't know, I feel like this is a little treasure that they left us. The family that owned this house and this property before us, you know, from my understanding, they have been here in this direct area. Like, this was old family property, so I don't know, it was just really neat. So, and I'm just, this is kind of like arts and crafts, so I'm not you know, a skilled person, but for me, this is like arts and crafts. Ouch. See? Not a skilled person. Almost there. Let me get this in here a little, steady it a little bit more. Ow. Now with the first one, I didn't do that so much. So let me see if I need to. I'm going to get it. We're getting there. Okay. There we go. Much better. Much better. Alright, so I've got my 2 little hooks. My 2 little homemade S hooks. Let me move this. So, one side of the chain hooked, and let me get the other one. Let's do this way. Oh, here, we'll put up one side and then the other. So I'm just gonna loop it over. I have, like, it's nice because this shelf is slotted, so it's easy for me to hang this here. So that is pretty low, and I can adjust it. That's not a problem. I'm going to go ahead and, let's see. I think I'm going to swing it around opposite because the plug is closer to that side, the outlet. And like I said, I only have one light, so I'll have to get more. I think I could probably fit 3 on this shelf. That'll be nice and bright. Swap these. This one here. I'm going to plug it in. Then you'll see how it's pretty bright. It's in, and then switch. Oh. It's pretty bright, huh? Okay. Now let's see what I think I only have. I thought I had a bigger seed tray, but maybe I don't. So I have these. These are like the Jiffy ones. So it has like the seed cells, and then this is where you water. Let's see what the clearance is like here. I'm definitely going to need 2 because this is kind of wide. But I wonder if I pick this up higher. I did like 1, 2, 3, number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. I did number 4. That definitely spreads the light out a little more. So then, just one. Yeah. So let's see. So the lighting's not great in here, but it's fine. It's the garage. So let's see. So this has 2. The thing is, I used one last year. So you see, like this. And these little seed starting trays, I dropped a pellet. They come with these little pellets, which last year I was able to germinate the seeds, but I don't know. I just tried to use some for some harvested seeds, and nothing germinated. I think it was the seeds, but I don't know. So, okay. So I think it reaches, let's see, is there a shadow on those over there? No. So this reaches, I think this will be good for now. Let's see. If I had 3 lights or 2 lights, I could definitely get 4 of these squares. Where's the other one? Here. I only have 3, but I could definitely get 4. So I think that's gonna work out just fine. And then these are it comes with the humidity domes for the top. Okay, so I'll just stack the humidity domes in the back since. So here it is. Here's the setup. I definitely need to get another light, but for now I can go ahead and start 2 trays. And these 2 have pellets. So you see there's the pellets. And then I have space back here to do to do a 3rd and a 4th tray. So for now I'll just start with the 2. I'm excited. So yeah. Okay, so that's it for this video. You can see, I mean, I'm under another light, but you can see there that bag has the light casting on it from the grow light. So I'm excited. These grow lights are they're not expensive. Again, I don't remember how much they were. We did go by Tractor. I got it for Christmas, but we went by Tractor Supply and we looked at them, and I can't remember, but they are not expensive. And I like that it comes with a chain and the little, the little brackets and the hooks. And if I was if I needed to screw it into like a wood shelf, it comes with these hooks, these screw hooks, and then there's an extra set of screws, because there's like a notch. You know how like you can like hang it, so there's notches. So I guess however which way you need to use it, whatever you're using it for, if you're using it for like some of those house plants that climb, and you wanted it kind of like in the corner, kind of anyways, shining on something vertical, it can be mounted vertically as well. So I don't know, I'm excited. I'm going to go ahead and start planting the seeds that I can start out here. And I know like tomatoes I can start. We don't eat a ton of tomatoes, but I know everybody starts their tomatoes. Like I like to make a rustic tomato sauce, like right in the pan with garlic and onion and tomato and olive oil. So that's the way initially I think we're going to be using tomatoes, because we don't eat a lot of tomatoes. But so I'll be starting tomato plants, but then also I need to look at my seeds and see what else benefits from starting indoors and seeds. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video.